Need to see a record of all your earnings, withdrawals, and fees for tax or accounting purposes. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your complete Upwork transaction history. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your transaction history is your financial hub on Upwork, providing a detailed, downloadable record of every cent that moves in and out. From your main dashboard, go to the Reports tab and select Transaction History. You'll see a list of all transactions, including earnings, service fees, bonuses, and withdrawals. You can use the filters to view a specific date range, transaction type, like cleared or withdrawal, or a particular client. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. For deeper analysis or your accountant, you can download this report as a CSV file. This is perfect for importing into spreadsheet software or accounting programs. A crucial pro tip: download your transaction history monthly or quarterly. This makes tax preparation effortless and helps you track your profitability over time, seeing how much you're actually netting after Upwork's fees. And just like that, you're in complete control of your freelance financial records. Reviewing your transaction history is a key habit for a professional business owner. Do you review your transaction history regularly? Let us know in the comments. To understand those deductions, watch our next video on how to calculate Upwork fees. Thanks for watching.